First-time do-it-yourself, pest control works best when you have a complete, safe starter kit instead of guessing piece by piece. A strong homeowner pest starter kit should cover protection, precise application, and clear instructions that keep you within the product label. Start with personal protective equipment that includes an N95 respirator, chemical-resistant gloves, and safety glasses so that you are protected from fine dusts and splashes while mixing or applying products. Add basic measuring tools like a marked measuring cup for liquids and a small scoop or spoon for granules to avoid the common mistake of eyeballing doses, which can lead to poor results or label violations. Include sealed bait stations for ants or rodents so that active ingredients stay contained away from pets and children while still allowing pests to access the bait. Consumer gel baits are perfect for cracks and crevices where insects travel, and you can apply pea-sized dots every few inches along known trails and harborages for targeted control. Diatomaceous earth should be included as a low-risk dust that scratches insect exoskeletons and dries them out, and you should apply it lightly with a hand duster so that it looks like a very thin film instead of piles, which insects will avoid. Finally, an instruction booklet should walk you step by step through reading each label, planning indoors versus outdoors treatments, keeping a log of where and when you applied products, and knowing the signs that mean it is time to call a professional. A big mistake many first-time do-it-yourself users make is treating without identifying the pest, and the fix is to slow down, collect a sample, or take a clear photo, and match it using reliable pest guides before you choose any product. Another common issue is over-applying, where people think more is better, so the solution is to mix and measure in a well-lit space, read the label at least twice, and write down the exact amounts you use in a notebook. The third problem is ignoring when the situation has outgrown a starter kit, and the answer is to set clear limits in your instructions, such as calling a licensed professional if you see structural damage, strong odors, or heavy activity after several label-compliant treatments. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make this kind of do-it-yourself pest control easier by helping homeowners find local contractors when a starter kit is not enough, and by helping those contractors connect with people who actually need their services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros trade real-world tips on pest control kits, product use, and when it is smart to hand the job off to a professional.